Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm digging a trench because I'm putting in a new soakaway to a pre-existing septic tank. I'm doing it all to regulations, and the regulations are found in a document called the Binding Rules on the .gov website, and I'll put a link to that document in the description box below this video. Now, if you come here looking for a video on how to install a soakaway, I will be doing a complete video on how to install a soakaway, but you can see I've only just got started on the job. It's going down there on my own land. However, when I do complete that complete video on how to install a soakaway for a septic tank, I will link it in the description box below this video. So if you've come here for that, go straight to the description box below there, and you should be able to find that video if I've already done it. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of what I need to do, but I've also got two pieces of very important news, almost like in announcements, if you like. Now, if you've come to my channel for gardening, and I know that nearly 20,000 people signed up for gardening, I promise you I will be doing some gardening videos in the near future. I changed my channel name to House and Garden several months ago so that I could also include things like the garage conversion. This is part of the garage conversion. I discovered that the septic tank soakaway had kind of given up the ghost. It's nearly 80 years old, so I'm replacing it. So this is part of the house side of the channel. I will be doing some gardening videos very soon, so please stick with it if you want the gardening videos. I've got to do some quite important winter protection videos in the very near future, so I'll be doing those. Right now I'm digging a trench. This trench is going across my drive, and obviously it's got to be deeper than the outflow from the septic tank, which is right below the camera. And then I'll be putting in a herringbone in the lawn, and basically the water that flows out of the septic tank will go into that herringbone and soak away. That's why it's called a soakaway. The septic tank below the camera, which I'll give you a shot of right now as I'm speaking, is comprised of two chambers, and the solids come from the house, as does the washing machine waste, and it settles in those two chambers. And you get that chamber emptied once a year, and what runs off it is dirty water, and that dirty water comes down this pipe and soaks away. Now I'm converting the garage into guest accommodation, so there's going to be an office, an ensuite, and a bedroom and a lounge, and you'll see all that on my channel. The two important announcements. The first one is that I've been writing to companies to get discount codes because I keep offering them. I keep getting them offered to me. Rather than put discount codes in ad hoc videos like this, I'm going to start a newsletter. The newsletter is going to have news, it's going to have gardening and household hints and tips, and it's going to contain those discount codes. So you will have access to all my current discount codes in that one newsletter. You'll have to subscribe to it, and I will be creating a page on my website where you can subscribe. The reason I've not done it yet is because I'm doing it all by the book. I've got to do GDPR, which is all about data protection. But I can assure you, it will be a win-win-win, because it will be a win for me because I will have a database. It will be a win for you because you will get access to some news and some discount codes. And it will be a win to suppliers who will be able to sell specific products that I vet to you. So I'm hoping that will be like a virtuous circle that we all benefit from. It's not ready yet. I'm actually going to do it in a limited company with a friend of mine who's got experience of being a company director. And as I say, I'm doing it all above board, and we'll be giving some money to charity from the profits. So that's the first bit of important news. Now the second bit of important news is kind of related to that. I've been using a company called Materials Market for all the stuff I've been buying for this, and they've been very good. So I wrote to them as a test the other day to see if there was any legs or validity in getting discount codes, and they've sent us a discount code. So in the description box below this video is a discount code for Materials Market. Go through my link because it's an affiliate link, and if you use my link I get a small commission, and that commission gets invested straight back into garden and household projects. And when you go through my link, they'll give you 5% off your first order if you place it through my link. So there's a bit of a starter for 10, if you like. Now 5%, you might argue, is not a huge amount for a big company. But when they're trading online, I suppose the margins are not huge. So I guess that any discount is better than nothing. And in actual fact, if it works, they might start giving us better discounts. We'll see. It's a kind of an experiment. Right, I'm going to leave it there. This has felt a bit like a monologue, and I'm going to carry on digging. I'm very fortunate here because below about a foot of asphalt, it's really soft soil. So once you get into that, it's easy. I could have used a mini digger, but I'm glad I didn't, because there's a water pipe and an electric cable down here in this hole. By the time the mini digger had arrived, I've almost got the trench dug. Right, hope that makes sense. Let me summarise. I'm working on the house, gardening videos coming soon, discount code for Materials Market below this one, and very soon I'll be launching a subscription newsletter which includes all the discount codes which I get sent. I'll see you soon with some more house and garden adventures. Bye for now.